इसने अपना बैग फर्श पर फेंक दिया।
He threw his bag to the floor. He threw his bag to the floor.
स्कूल के पास कवायद की एक फहरिस्त थी जिसकी पाबंदी तलबा को करनी चाहिए।
The school had a list of rules the students must abide by. The school had a list of rules the students must abide by.
इसे आने वाली बस से झटका दिया गया।
He was jerked away from the oncoming bus. He was jerked away from the oncoming bus.
वो उनके साथ शामिल होने का इंतजार कर रहे थे।
They waited for her to join them. They waited for her to join them.
मैं अपने खाने के वक्फे के लिए बाहर निकला था।
I went out for my lunch break. I went out for my lunch break.
हम गेट पर मौजूद थे।
We were situated at the gate. We were situated at the gate.
तुम्हारा बेटा ज़ालिम बनने वाला है।
Your son is about to become a tyrant. Your son is about to become a tyrant.
कपड़े गीले होंगे।
The clothes would be wet. The clothes would be wet.
वो इत्तेफाकन उनके पास आया।
He casually walked up to them. He casually walked up to them.
मशहूर शख्सियत एक न्यूज़ चैनल पर लाइव चली गई।
The celebrity went live on a news channel. The celebrity went live on a news channel.